Hi guys, today I will show you how to add website shortcut icon to home screen on your VIVO Y17. To do that, in the first step we must go to the Google Chrome and go for a website which we want to add to our home screen. In my case it's HardReset.Info, and to do that we must press 3 dots on the right corner. And after that we navigate to the Add to Home screen. We choose it. And now we can change the name of our shortcut icon. And click Add. After that we have it on our home screen. There. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye!